Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia C20 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. And now let's tap on Advanced, and right under it we've got Reset Options. And on the very first position we've got the option we were looking for, so just tap on it, and here your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on Reset Settings, and if you are ready, just tap on Reset Settings again. As you can see, you cannot undo this action, and here we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your Nokia C20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.